tactile feel, and that is what I keep telling people. Okay, that is, if you are going to buy one switch, one keyboard, okay, make it blue. Even though this is noisy, okay, this is noisy, this will make a lot of sound. This is a clicky type keyboard. Okay, so what will happen is you will be able to tell when the key was pressed, so you do not need to press it completely down. Okay, and for a, if in the long run, that is what you will do. You won't bottom out the key all the time, like this. Where is it? So you won't bottom it out completely. You won't press it down like this. You will only press it to the point where it activates. That comes with practice. Okay, and you cannot practice that if if you are coming from any membrane keyboard and all. You need to practice that. You need to practice that in the only keyboard that I recommend. That is the blue. Okay, whatever brand you took it. So if you are new, I know this will annoy your people you live with, but it is important to have good amount of speed on a clicky switch before moving on to linear ones. Tactile is a good middle ground, but they are still for a new person, I will say go with clicky, even if it irritates you. Even if the clicky switches irritate you, I would still say to go with them. Okay, still say to go with them. Now, you know what? Let me also try.